Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard Osamason beats, only way. Start by choosing a punchy 808 and tight kick, then sketch a 16-bar loop for structure and energy. Add percussive layers, hats, and syncopated snares to create motion. Use simple chord stabs or a gritty synth lead to give character, and automate pitch and filter moves to keep tension across transitions and drops. Start with sound choices that serve impact and clarity. Select an 808 with a sharp attack and solid sub, then grab a snare or clap that snaps in the mids so it cuts through the mix. Layer a gritty lead or stab and avoid frequencies that clash with the bass. Keep sounds simple and bold, and swap small elements to test how each change affects the groove and power of the beat. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice keeps your car smelling great after late studio nights, which feels oddly satisfying when you've been breathing synths and 808s all day. It's a small pleasure that makes the commute home better, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on programming to make the beat feel alive and aggressive. Add syncopated hi-hat rolls and vary velocity to create swing and movement. Use short pitch slides on 808 hits to add character and tension, and program call and response between lead and percussion to keep interest. Keep patterns simple but dynamic, and use occasional silence or fills to emphasize drops and highlight transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.